Toast. A classic, crispy piece of morning breakfast for millions of Americans. It goes with just about anything. Coffee, jam, avocado. Truly fantastic base, whatever your taste may be. But behind this simple, crunchy brown delight, there's a war going on. Things have gone awry. People's opinions on the right toast has been jammed. Toaster settings and women's jeans have one thing in common. The numbers could mean anything. Frustrated, people throw away perfectly good toast because they can't embrace the variety that those toasters have to offer.
There's no reason to be sour though, because you have me to teach you how to do it right. These things are so precious and sacred. I couldn't possibly tell you with my words. Here, let me show you. As of recently, I've preferred it with cream cheese. But the options are endless, really. Blackberry jelly, sweet peach marmalade, cinnamon, salty eggs. I mentioned avocado earlier. Really, there's so many options when it comes to toast. You could do anything. It's truly, like I said, a fantastic base. It's good with coffee. Just about anything. And that is how you make toast. Listen, y'all. It's toast. It's toast. This is how I eat it. That's it. And there's nothing you or anyone else could or should do about it. It's just toast. But I am tired of being slandered for choosing to eat my toast slightly darker than everyone else's. My DMs are filled with endless abuse from these people I've called friends. Ever since that fateful day in July, I still remember it, when everything I ever loved crumbled in my face. It's been a roller coaster of emotions. But Jocelyn started this war. For some reason. This is a war, and it will be crispy. You can go.